Hello, my dear students. In the first few bio syllabus, you are learning the first chapter is about the living world. Here you are getting some interesting facts. Means you are going to learn these interesting facts like diversity in the living world. What is living? Distinctive characteristics of living organisms, biodiversity, binomial nomenclature, organisms with their taxonomic categories, and taxonomical aids. These are the interesting points you are going to learn in this first chapter, the living world. In your previous studies, you learnt about living organisms comparing with the non-living things, and you learned so many different distinctive characteristics of living organisms like respiration, transport, excretion, etc. Once again, you are going to deal with the same thing, same concept, but with different distinctive characteristics. As well as you learned about biodiversity, means you know very well on this earth variety of living organisms are present. Their number is uncountable, so we can call them as biodiversity. Variety of living organisms present on this earth. And in this year you are going to learn some important concepts about binomial nomenclature. Means you know very well about the scientific names. They have two components. One is a genus and one more is a species. Together we can call them as binomial nomenclature. And you heard about taxonomy. In our biology, study of organisms is not possible without naming, without classification, without identification. These are all possible by taxonomic categories. Have you heard now guys about the 7 levels of taxonomic hierarchies like species, genus, family, class, order, division, kingdom, likewise. Okay, you are seeing 7 different levels. Okay, you can make it sequentially. You can use the sequence like species, genus, family, order, class, phylum for animals, and division for plants, as well as a kingdom. You can make it a sequence. So likewise guys, you have heard so these things under taxonomy. And one more important thing you are going to learn in this topic is nothing but taxonomical aids, which makes our study very easy, like herbarium, botanical gardens, museum, zoological parks, key, as well as you are going to say one more thing is manuals, monographs, and catalogs. So these are helping us, means these aids are helping us to understand these organisms very well.